Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 4th, and we're going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly DXY, I do believe there's a very good likelihood this right here is the end of a wave C. If that is the end of a wave C, then we are in a downtrend now that is going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, because that's what happens at the end of an ABC correction, whether you're talking about the monthly or the 1 minute time frame. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see the lower lows, lower highs that make up this move down. I still think there's a very good likelihood this is a wave 1. I think there's a good chance this move up is a wave 2, and I think there's a very good likelihood we're in a wave 3 right now that is most likely just going to keep on going down. So let's keep that in mind while we head down to the daily time frame and switch over to the US dollar index. And so on the US dollar index is where you can actually start to see the trends within a trend for this move down back here. This move up right here I think is either an A, B, C, D, E, or maybe a motive wave correction. Either way, I do think that is the end of a correction, probably the end of a wave 2. I think there's a good chance this whole thing down is a wave 1. I think this right here is going to break out and this is going to keep on trending down because I believe that we are in a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see the last trend right here for the wave A. You can see the 3 waves down for the B. You can see the uptrend for the C. Nice big impulsive move down yesterday, showed us that the correction really was over. That definitely looks to me like the end of a correction. So unless price goes up and takes out this high right here, the trend is definitely still down, and I still think there's a very good likelihood that it will just keep on trending down. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely have that 3, 4, 5 shape right here that you do see at the end of most trends. So honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it does go up, if it does take out structure. Even if it does do that, that's just going to be the beginning of what I think will be just a bigger correction like an ABC. I think it'll just make a correction to this last move down, eventually ending that correction and just continuing the downtrend. But as far as whether it's even going to make that correction or not, as of now, there's definitely no proof that it's going up. I still think there's a very good likelihood that it could just make another lower high, and just keep on trending down, especially if we really are in a wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.